Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at the QTHREE NVIDIA GT7 34GB graphics card. This card is designed as a simple upgrade for those still relying on integrated graphics, aiming to boost overall PC performance without breaking the bank. The GT730 from QTHREE comes equipped with 4GB of DDR3 memory, clocked at speeds up to 1,334 MHz. This is a significant step up from integrated graphics, promising a smoother multimedia experience, faster web browsing, and improved photo and video editing capabilities. While it's not going to run the latest AAA titles at max settings, it should provide a noticeable improvement in older games and everyday tasks. One of the key features of this card is its cooling solution. It sports an independent cooling fan, designed to keep the GPU running cooler and quieter. This is particularly important for users who value a silent computing experience, whether they're gaming or watching movies. The QTHREE GT730 also boasts a low-profile design, making it suitable for small form-factor PCs and full-size systems alike. The package includes two low-profile brackets, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of system case sizes, including HD PCs. This makes it a versatile option for users with different PC builds. In terms of connectivity, the card offers a PCI Express 2.0 interface, ensuring compatibility with a broad range of systems. It also includes a VGA port, a dual-link DVD port, and an HDMI output, allowing for expanded connectivity and support for up to 2 monitors simultaneously. This is a great feature for users who need to multitask or want to extend their desktop across multiple displays. The QTHREE GT730 is also designed with power efficiency in mind. With a low power consumption of just 30 W, it doesn't require an external power supply. The all-solid-state capacitor design further contributes to its low power consumption and high performance. This makes it an ideal choice for those looking to build a low-end PC or upgrade an existing system without needing to upgrade their power supply. It's important to note that this card supports Windows 7, 8, and 10, as well as Linux. However, it is not compatible with Windows 11. The manufacturer recommends installing the driver 391.35 from the included optical disc. In conclusion, the QTHREE NVIDIA GT7 34GB graphics card is a solid option for users looking for a budget-friendly upgrade from integrated graphics. It offers improved performance in multimedia tasks, faster web browsing, and better gaming performance in older titles. Its low-profile design, multiple connectivity options, and low power consumption make it a versatile choice for a variety of PC builds. Just remember that it's not designed for high-end gaming and is not compatible with Windows 11.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.